Welcome to the eSavvy Microsoft Dynamics CRM video tutorial for importing interrelated data into CRM. My name is Adrian Nair. I am a senior functional consultant for eSavvy. You can find out more about eSavvy by visiting the eSavvy website. This tutorial will cover the following: importing interrelated data into multiple entities in CRM, parent-child data relationships that need to be imported, the templates available in CRM for data load, data to be imported for the parent entity, the associated data to be imported for child entity, importing set of related records or data files together, the CRM data import wizard, import logs, and viewing the imported data in CRM. Parent-child data relationship, also known as one-to-many relationship, or simply written as 1:n. This refers to relationship between two entities. In this tutorial, we will use entity called event and entity called registration. In this tutorial, we have two events and we have two registrations for each event. The relationship between event and registration is one to many. In this tutorial, event is the parent entity, registration is the child entity. In the CRM settings area, under data management, there is a feature from where you can download templates for data import for the relevant entity. You can select the entities you want to download the import data templates for. Here I am running the download template twice to show the two different record types that I will download. Here you can see I have created two template files. These are blank files. Inside these files there is no data. However, inside these files the columns have been mapped to CRM fields already. So when you use these files and populate data in these files to import back into CRM, all the mappings would have already been done. I will now populate these files with the data that need to be imported into CRM for this tutorial. If you look at the event file, which was empty when I opened the file, I have now populated this file by entering two events: CRM demo that will take place with the call center team, and a CRM demo that will take place with the sales team. These are two groups of people, so I have created two separate events in the events file. In the event registration file, I have recorded the people attending these events. We have Lucy and Sandra, who will be part of the CRM demo for the sales team event, and we have Andrew and John, who will be attending the CRM demo for the call center event. Now, since I have populated both of these files, I have created two events and registered the people and related them and linked them. We will now group these files or related records into a single file, a zip compressed file, so that the data import wizard can process this one single file and understand that it contains multiple files for a single import with data interrelated to each other. In the CRM settings area under data management, you will find feature to launch the CRM data import wizard, as you can see from the screen. The CRM data import wizard first lets you select the file to import the data from. Recall that we created a zip file that contains both the events and the event registrations file into this single file. In the next screen, the CRM data import wizard is displaying that it has found two files in that one zip file. It has found the event registrations file and the events file. Next, the CRM data import wizard wants to map those two files, those source files, to the actual CRM entities. We will select automatic mapping option because we used the data import templates, so the files should map automatically. So we do not need to create custom data maps to match each of the columns in the data files to the fields in CRM entities and do all that laborious work. So when you choose automatic mapping and click next, the CRM data import wizard displays that it has understood that source data file event registrations contain data for the event registration entity in CRM, and it has understood that the data file called event contains data for the event entity. Within this screen, you can select a different entity if this information is not correct. However, exporting templates from CRM for data import and then populating those templates with the data, just like we did, you should expect that during the data import, the templates should map onto CRM automatically. In this next screen, the CRM data import wizard provides two further options. There is an option to prevent duplicate records from being imported. Second option is assigning owner for imported records. The data imported into CRM must be assigned in CRM to an owner. This lookup allows you to select a user in CRM so that that user will be attached to every record imported. Now we have completed going through the data import wizard steps, and we see that the wizard has collected and submitted the options we have selected along with the data to CRM for import process to begin. To check the status of the import, you can see import logs in the workplace area in CRM. If we look at the imports, we see that there are two imports using the same zip file. The difference is that one file contains data for registrations and one file contains data for event. You can see how records were successfully imported. Recall there were 4 registrations and 2 events, 0 failures and 0 errors. Total processed. Now we will go to CRM and check the events have been imported successfully and registrations have been imported successfully. Here in CRM, we see that the data import wizard created 2 events, CRM demo for call center and CRM demo for sales team. We also see in the event registration entity the people attending those events have been imported and the relationship has been imported as well. So Andrew and John are linked to the call center event and Lucy and Sandra are linked to the sales team event. If you have any questions or require assistance with Microsoft Dynamics CRM data import, you can contact eSavvy and one of our consultants will be more than happy to assist you with your CRM data import projects. We hope you have enjoyed this short tutorial.